this is easiTiVi, the coolest kids channel that's bubbling over with super duper kids toys. And today we'll be reviewing a mystery mini box and rarity mini doll set.
Ooh, we are so excited because we don't know what's in the My Little Pony mystery mini. It's so exciting.
I hope it's cheese sandwich. Because I love cheese sandwiches.
Cheese sandwich must really like cheese sandwiches. And you see who we can get in this? That's all the different ones that you can get. And they're
Quick chrysalis!
Pinkie, are these mini Funkos? Is that what they're called? Yeah. Oh, look at her. We want her. She's so cool.
I want cheese sandwich because I like cheese a lot.
Oh, okay. And we've also got, this here, by the way, was $5.99 in Smith's Toys in the UK. It's time to open our mini Funko Pop. Oh, we're so excited. Who's going to be in the pop?
I think it's Luna.
You think it's Luna?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I would like it to be Cadence. And what about?
Cheese.
Big cheese.
Yeah, I like cheese too.
Cheese strings.
I love those.
Okay, Pinkie, let's get it open.
Where did that open it again? No, it's at the bottom. Oh.
No, it's fine. You can open it at the top.
They'll never know it's Luna.
Here, you open it.
I cheated.
There it is. Ooh. There you go. Who is it? Oh, who is it?
Luna!
Oh, hold her up. Now that's a pony. Oh, she's so exciting.
Woo, woo.
Oh, she's lovely. She's even got glitter. Can you see their glitter, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
And there's her cutie mark. And has she, oh look, she's got glitter on her tail too. That's really pretty. Can you see that? There is Rarity photobombing in the background. There she is. Hi, Rarity.
Hi.
There we go. Now, she is so woof woof. What are you doing in our video? Okay. Pinkie, do you want to put her over with the rest of the Equestria girls? Wow, let's see. There she is. Now they are so cool. Hope you enjoyed our video, guys. If you want to get in touch, it's easiTiVi@gmail.com. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you liked our video. And don't forget to
Subscribe.